Tell me, where does my real hair end and the wig begins? Quick, hurry. You can't tell, cause look at it.
Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
I think you'd have. Hey y'all, hey. How you doing? How your mama know? Everybody good? Alright, so you guys, I'm back and I got a little headband on, and as you can see, a wig cap, so that can only mean one thing, you guys. A hair review, and I do mispronounce the name of these companies all the time, and for that I am apologizing ahead of time. But it is a unit from Kinky, 100% human hair, and they sent over a half wig for me to review for you guys. And y'all, I love half wigs. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, especially now since, you know, I told y'all about the incident that happened right here where I was excited to get home. I was ready to get home, ready to get out that wig, and I ended up ripping the wig off and taking some edges with it. Anything that is low manipulation and causes my edges to breathe, that's it for me. So half wigs have been my go-to. So when they said they want to send me over a half wig, y'all, I jumped on that opportunity because what? We love a good half wig over here. We love it. So this is a Kinky curly half wig, and I'm gonna place the specs because it is an Amazon special. I'm gonna place the specs right here so you guys can see, and it is a 20-inch unit. Let's go ahead and get into some of the goodies that come in the bag before we get into the actual hair itself. So y'all know it wouldn't be a wig company if they didn't include the little wig caps. I was about to say the headbands, but the little wig caps. And this is the wig cap where it comes with 2 in the pack. It did come with a little headband, one of those little lace melting headbands, and it has their company name, and it says Hair Beauty You Life. I don't know if it was supposed to say you love, but Hair Beauty You Life. Okay. It comes with a plastic comb as well as some super tape, and it also comes with a pair of 6D eyelashes. Lashes are kind of natural looking. I don't know, I might could work with that because the company's been stepping their lash game up, so we're gonna see about those lashes, see what they do. And this is the unit, 20 inches. And y'all, I will say that I went ahead and took this hair out before I did the video because I was excited. I ain't gonna even lie. I was excited. I wanted to see what the hair looks like. And y'all, I will say that the hair looks a little bit longer than 20 inches. But then again, it could be exactly 20 inches. But it just, to me, it looks a little bit longer. So this is what the hair looks like. And it does have that standard wig smell. And it does have a little tag on the inside that comes with the hair care tips as well as their brand. So that is a cute little branding touch that they did include. And I see that it is strung into the comb in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. And the wig does have that virgin human hair smell. If you guys know when you get bundles what it smells like, that's what the hair smells like. On the inside, it does have a band, which I really like, to make sure that your hair is secure if you don't want to use the combs, which most of the time I don't use the comb, you guys, just because I don't like, don't be digging all up in my scalp and give me a little headache. I don't like it, so I don't use the comb too much. And it does have a little drawstring in the back so that you can make the wig tighter. So I had a half wig on earlier, so that's why I had my braid down up and I have my leave out right here, and I have a wig cap on already because you already know if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. So I'm gonna move my little mirror a little bit closer because if you're a long time viewer of this channel, y'all know I can't see. So let me go ahead. And one thing I like about it, because I just took it off, is that you could take that band that's inside the wig off to adjust it to your liking. Y'all know I got a Georgia dome, so I gotta sometimes adjust the wigs to my liking. So, and you know something, I feel like I want to try it without that little band. Since I did pop that band off, I want to try it without the band and just try it with the drawstring. So let's see. Okay, so you guys, I am teasing these curls out, and you know I love big hair. Do I have fluff in here? I do. Y'all, I have a fluffy little backdrop in my room, so fluff is everywhere. But as I am running my fingers through her, first of all, she is very soft. I am not getting any shedding from me running my fingers through her. And I don't know if you guys can see right up here where the little line, and of course I didn't put it all the way too tight, but it looks really, really, really natural. So let me go ahead and take my little twist out. Y'all, I have 4C hair, 4B in some areas, but 4C hair. So I usually get a nice little coil to my hair when my hair is wet, and it's actually about to be wash day pretty soon for me. Not this weekend, but next weekend, because y'all, when I wash my hair, it is a weekend affair because I got a lot of hair. So, but I am just taking that little twist that I had in the front. I'm taking that down to blend my little leave out, and I think I have probably an inch of leave out. Yeah, I want to say it's just an inch. I didn't leave out too much of my hair because, like I said, half wigs have been life for me. And let's just see how she blends with my hair. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, yes. She blends with my hair like a dream, you guys. She blends so good. Do you see how my hair blend? Come on now. Come on now. I know you see. Do you see it? I know you see the material. You see the material. Tell me, where does my real hair end and the wig begins? Quick, hurry. You can't tell, cause look at it. My 4C kinky texture hair blended in with this wig so beautifully. Like, what? And this is fresh out of the pack, like fresh out this bag, fresh out of the Amazon packaging. This is what this hair looks like. I have no product in it. The only thing that has product in it is my natural hair. Y'all saw me pull it out. Y'all saw all of the inside packaging and everything in the wig. Y'all saw me cut the tag off the wig. And look at what we got. Y'all know I love big hair, so this is just everything for me right now. So Unique. Y'all must like me. Unique. Y'all like me, cause I like y'all. And y'all know I don't review anything that I don't like on my channel, but I do want to come start doing raw, real first impression reviews. So this is a raw, real first impression. The only thing that I did was when I got the Amazon package, and I did take it out to look at it because I wanted to see what the length looked like. And like I said, I felt like the length was a little bit longer than 20 inches, but now that I have it out, it looked like it could be a true 20 inch. but I'm just so surprised how big the hair actually got just from me running my fingers through it. Like, I didn't think that it was gonna get this big for me just running my fingers through it. And so the fact that this hair is this big, I like it. I like it because, again, big hair has my heart. So again, you guys, this was a first impression fresh out the pack. Kinky curly headband wig, and I cannot stop looking at myself because this hair, I really cannot tell where my hair ends and this hair begins. I mean, I know because duh, but it just looks so natural and blends so nice with my hair texture that I'm just so shocked and so surprised, and I really love that it just blends with my natural hair texture so well. So yeah, ain't this what the young kids be doing? Finger taps, we like that. We're liking this. So I will leave the link down for this headband unit down below because you guys need to get this. Unique, you know, they did their big one with this. The craftsmanship, beautiful. And again, I don't have the band on in the wig. I just have the comb and the drawstring piece. So, and the wig feels secure. I feel like, don't go pulling on it. I don't know about all of that, but it does feel secure. Like, I feel like if a strong wind was to come blowing through, I'm good. So I will leave the link for this wig down below in the description box. If you guys want to go ahead in and get you one, I do suggest you do go and get you one. Because even though they sent me this, I think that I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one so that I have a backup because, like, again, I said I like big hair. So I want to just say thank you to Unique for sending me over this beautiful unit to review for my YouTube babies. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. And don't be stingy with me. Make sure that you tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come check out my channel. Okay, you guys. Peace.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite.